Hey everyone, it's Joy here for Honeybee Stamps, and today I created a quick masculine card for you today using the Lovely Layers Muscle card. So here is that card, and I have die cut it from kind of a darker tealish color, and I'm going to add a little bit of black soot just around the edges just to give it a tiny bit of shading. This is a really easy card or die cut to put together, and I think it really is super fun. Obviously fantastic for a muscle card, or excuse me, a masculine card. And so I think this is one of those ones that's kind of fun to have in your stash. I'm just going to use some liquid glue, and I'm going to glue this together. There's only a few pieces on this Lovely Layers die. Sorry, I think my glue was clogged there. And so it doesn't really take long to put this together. And imagine all the different colors that you could do. I mean, you could even do this for a girl who's into cars. This doesn't just have to be for a guy's card. So the full background layer I did from a dark gray cardstock, and then I did the top layer obviously in that tealish color. I'm using light gray and black as well for this. Like I mentioned, it's really super simple to put together. And then for the background, we're going to be using a stencil and just doing quick stenciling. You can choose any color combination for this. I was kind of thinking about my husband in this card, so I was going with colors I know he likes. He likes grays, and he likes these darker tealish blue colors. And so that was my thought process here. But again, you can do whatever color combination you want to do. Let's get that last little piece on there. How cute is that? Okay, so I have an A2 size piece of cardstock, and I'm just going to mask the top off. I only want to stencil at the bottom. This is the forged line stencils. There are 2 stencils in the stencil pack, and I'm just going to tape this in place. I'm going to use one color of ink. I'm going to go darker and then lighter, keeping it again really kind of quick and simple. This is Hickory Smoke Distress Oxide ink, and so for this first layering stencil, I am going to go darker, and it does label it stencil 1 and stencil 2. So let's just get this going. And I'm just and I sped this up, but I'm going in both directions when I'm stenciling on here, just to make sure that I get all the coverage that I want within the open areas of that stencil. Let's bring in stencil 2, and I'm going to use the same Hickory Smoke, but I'm going to go a tad bit lighter with the ink blending. But you could do multiple colors on this, but this is what I wanted to do for this background. And then I'm going to do some splatter. I actually end up adding more splatter later, but I'm going to splatter with black soot. So I'm going to squish that onto my glass mat, add a little bit of water, and then just using a paintbrush, I'm going to splatter that. I didn't think I wanted the splatter at the top, but I do. So I am going to splatter with the black soot, and then later off camera, I actually end up splattering with Uncharted Mariner just to add a little more blue. And then I'm using black soot to just ink blend around the edges, give it a little bit of a grungy feel, but you could again use a brown on this if you wanted, but I am using a black. I am going to have 2 sentiments that I inked up with Uncharted Mariner from the Well Played Sir stamp set. One says happy birthday, the other one says to the man who does everything. I use the coordinating dies to die cut those out, and I'm going to add 2mm foam adhesive behind both of the sentiments and the car. So let's add that behind our car there. I want everything to have some dimension, and after I have everything adhered is when I do the blue splatter, which I'm really glad I did because it just added that extra something. But I'm going to place the car right there at the top of the stenciling, and then my 2 sentiments. And then this will be on an A2 size card base, but let's take a look at this. Oh, first, I did add some white gel pen details to some of the embossed areas from the dies, just with a little bit of a white accent here, and I think it looks great. Now we can take a look at this up close, and now you can see that blue splatter. I love how this card turned out. Thank you guys so very much for stopping by and watching. I hope that you enjoyed this project. I hope you feel inspired, and I hope you have an amazing day.